Ayan. So,
tumatakbo pa ata yung ating mga racers, wala pang iba. Jackie Gutierrez.
Awarding na ng certificates, tas later awarding na ng winners. Andito na si
Jerome Arellano.
Mayor Galapon. Papakita lang natin.
So all our awardees at podium awardees, please prepare. Alvin,
Mayor, pahay po! Live! Pahay lang, pahilo! Hello!
Hello po!
Ayan, kasama si Mayor sa mag-award po ng mga winners ngayong umaga. Tapos nandito rin si Miss Faith, yung Aura International for 2021.
Andito rin yung yung binibining Nevesia na lumabas sa Miss Universe.
Ayun, binibining
si Mike Martinez yata.
Ayun. Sige, ayan. Nag-start na po yung ating award.
Ito yung first ever Nevesia Marathon.
Ay, ito na si Ma'am.
Ayan na siya.
Ito si Ma'am.
Jackie Gutierrez.
Tumakbo rin si Ma'am. Hi po! Si Miss Maika po. Si Miss Maika yung lumaban sa Miss Universe. Miss Universe. Nueva Ecija. Siya yung representative ng Nueva Ecija para sa Miss Universe ng 2024. Wow! Wow! Pahawak nga!
Hello, ma'am!
Hello! Tinakbo ni Ma'am.
Hello, good morning, everyone. I am Maika Habling Martinez. Proud to be a Nueva Ecija, your Miss Universe Philippines Nueva Ecija 2024. And of course, a proud finisher, 21 kilometers.
Ilang hours, Ma'am?
Nako, I think around 3 hours. 3 hours ang aking 21 kilometers.
Pero yun po ba yung normal na, matagal na po ba kayo runner?
Actually, ma'am, I'm already a runner po, but this is my first time running 21 kilometers. Because, ma'am, of course, as a proud Nueva Ecijana, talagang gusto ko dito sa Nueva Ecija, sa Gimba, Nueva Ecija ang aking first ever 21 kilometers. Kasi, ma'am, before, mga 10 kilometers, 12 kilometers lang talaga yung tinatakbo ko.
Pero ano po ang personal best nyo so far? Sa mga 10 kilometers?
Nako, ma'am, siguro mga around 1 hour and 10 seconds. Basta pag 1 hour.
Hindi nyo pa po nasubukang manalo?
Nako, ma'am! Soon! Paparating po tayo dyan.
Parang si ma'am yung isa sa mga ambassador nitong marathon na di ba?
Yes, ma'am. I was present during the media launch. Kasama ko itong napakaganda nating
Miss Jonalie!
Of course! So kami talaga po. Kami talaga yung magkakasama during the media launch. And we were so excited and now we're so happy because this event is such a success sa buong probinsya ng Nueva Ecija. Dito lang yan sa Gimba, Nueva Ecija.
Congratulations!
Thank you so much.
Ano nga po ulit pangalan ng organizer nito?
Ang name ng isa sa mga head is si Sir Jose.
Yes, may group name po ba siya? Company name or organization name?
JR Events. Oh, yun, JR Events. Yes.
Ang Fam Team Gimba po ay isa sa mga sponsor.
Yes, Fam Team Gimba is the major sponsor po.
Tapos ito si Mama Jonalie Padre Sakay ang pinaka-owner. Event manager. Event chairman. Thank you very much po. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning po. Ayan. Ito interview naman natin yung isa sa mga runners din. Nakaligo na si Miss Faith. Ayun. Ma'am, ilang kilometers? Nasunod po ba yung 1 hour and 55 minutes?
Opo, nabit naman po. Ilang seconds.
Yun yung target mo.
Yes,
diba?
po na nabit naman po.
Ano po ba yun? Personal best nyo?
Yes po, personal best
Dati na po kayong tumatakbo.
Yes po. Nag-start po ako na mag-race po 2014. Bali, magta-10 years na po.
Oh, wow! Happy anniversary!
Yes, thank you so much po.
Si Miss Faith, ang Aura International 2021. Ang daming beauty queens dito.
Thank you so much.
Meron tayong Miss Universe Nueva Ecija and Miss Aura International.
Thank you so much po.
Ayan. Ano po masasabi niyo sa event? Ano po masasabi niyo dito sa event na nangyari?
Masaya po. Nakapunta na po ako dito sa Nueva Ecija before pero para may mga events na po kami na napuntahan. So first time ko po na tumakbo. So napakasaya naman po.
Saan po kayo nag-stay, ma'am?
Nakalimutan ko po yung name ng hotel. Dito lang po sa malapit po.
Sitio San Roque po ba? Ayun. Kumusta naman po? Kumusta naman po yung accommodation?
Yes po, maganda po. Yes.
Yan. Natapos, nag-start po kayo alas 3. Tapos nakapag-freshen up na ako sa
Nakakain na din.
Ayan, congratulations
Thank
po
you so
sa
much
iyong
po.
personal
Yes,
day.
so, see you po ulit sa
See you ulit. Mauulit po ba ito?
Calling
Mayor,
attention,
mauulit po
big
ba
number
next year?
10, sensors,
Mayor, mauulit.
big number 10,
Mauulit pa next year?
Please approach the
Depende sa organizer. Pero sponsor, marami sponsor pero organizer, depende. Baka maulit yan, hindi na sa Gimba siguro, baka sa ibang part naman ng Nueva Ecija.
Maulit next year sa birthday ko, February.
Maulit daw.
Ayun
Depende
na.
yan sa organizer.
Ayan.
Pero tingin ko, sa ibang part naman ng Nueva Ecija, Pantabangan, dito sa may Laon, mga... Depende siguro. Gimba pa rin. Gimba pa rin daw, sabi ng pisang ko.
Ayan na. May pressure ka, ma'am. Ayan.
Ayan, isa sa organizer.
O kaya nga. Oo.
Ano sa tingin mo dyan? Maulit ba ito?
Yan yung presa.
Maulit daw dito.
Ayan, maulit ulit. Ay! Ayan.
Send out certificate.
Thank you po.
Dito na ulit kayo.
Is presented
Oh, dito na ulit next year. Ang galing.
participating
Ayan.
as one
Sige,
of the
mga-
partners
Puntahan
in the
natin yung
inaugural
mga-
Nueva Ecija
Ito.
Marathon
Ito na.
given the second day of June 2024 at Gimba, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. Once again, calling the attention of bib number 10-1006. Please proceed here at the stage. Bib number 10-1006. The next awardee is Apple Runners.
Ayan. So nakikita nyo ngayon ay
Calling the attention of Miss Andrea Santos.
awarding ng
Once again,
certificate.
Andrea Santos, please proceed here at the stage. Our next awardee is Rajon Natin Gimba.
Radyo natin din ba? Asan si Tita Nila?
Next awardee is Bypass Avenue Barbecue House.
Okay.
The number one barbecue in town.
Yung certificate pala na bina-award ngayon ay...
Radyo natin yun.
Apo, ay ako ba ang akyat? Yay! Ayan! Teka lang yung aking... Yung bag ko. Iwan mo na dito. Wow! At ano po to, mga... Ay, akyat ba?
Participating for
Ay, participating parties.
video, may picture dyan.
Ay.
Ang exit, kabila.
Okay, thank you. Ay!
Our next awardee is MTB Striders.
Okay!
Next awardee is Lady Miranda.
May award tayo!
Next awardee is Santa Rosa Runners. Any representative from Santa Rosa Runners? Our next awardee is James Kakao Photography.
Wala nga muna tayo.
Our next awardee is Kenny Visuals.
Very good one! Ma'am, thank you! Ayan. Ang galing po, sobrang successful.
Next awardee, please prepare running photographers.
Nakikuha na lang ako ng... parang yung start lang naman ng...
Our next awardee is running photographers.
Message na lang din kita pagka...
Next awardee is Ryan Zion.
Sige. After nito, saan bansa ka? Dito muna, trabaho muna. Wow! Nice.
Once again, our next awardee is Ryan Zion. Up next, 77 Productions.
Oh, okay. Okay na sila.
Up next is Go JM. Up next is Ready Manila.
Pahay po, pahay. Picture isa. Okay, 1, 2. Ito. So, ang ina-awardan naman ngayon ay ang videographer.
Up next is Ready Manila.
Isang grupo lang po kayo, sir?
And next awardee is Organic California.
Iba pa po sila na grupo. Oy, congrats po, ang galing, ang galing. Congrats po.
Next awardee, Organic California. Up next is Team Bicolano Runners.
Ayan.
Up next is GKM Sundays.
Tatanggap pa kayo? Tatanggap kayo ng certificate? Sopas? Magpasopas ka naman. Maraming sopas ka. Asan? Ay, may sopas ba doon? Oo. Mamaya na. Mamaya na lang ako magsosopas. Okay. May award tayo. Ayun niya. Dali. Hawakan mo, tita nila. Hawakan mo.
Alright.
Yay!
Congratulations once again to all our participating partners and sponsors for supporting and for joining the inaugural Nueva Ecija Marathon. And now,
Saan?
let's proceed because we are graced
May picture ako.
by
Sabi
Miss
ko
Universe Philippines Nueva Ecija. Of course, she's Miss Bingo Plus Universe Philippines 2024. Let's give a round of applause to Miss Marika Cabling Martinez. Marika just finished 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers, kaya pala hindi ko nakita kanina. There you go, Marika. Music and me, turn down the music. I have a question. Can you share us your journey in Miss Universe Philippines and how's the experience being Miss Bingo Plus Universe Philippines 2024?
Hello, of course, thank you so much for that introduction. Good morning, everyone. Mainit na pagbati sa inyong lahat. Before I answer that, I would like to acknowledge the presence, of course, of our beloved mayor, to all our yung mga nagagwapuhan natin, ang mga officials of Gimba Nueva Ecija. And as a proud Nueva Ecijana, I'm so happy and I would like to congratulate all runners, the organization, and of course our LGU for this success. The first ever in the entire province of Nueva Ecija, and we hope na yearly magkakaroon na ng Nueva Ecija Marathon. Well, to answer your question, I'm so happy and grateful and of course blessed to represent the province of Nueva Ecija, the rice granary of the Philippines. I really take pride of Nueva Ecija, and I brought with me Nueva Ecijana stories as the first ever Nueva Ecijana who represented the province to the Miss Universe Philippines. And my success is also the success of all my kababayans all around the world, all around the universe, because we were able to reach top 20, and I was able to bring with me one of the biggest awards, the Miss Bingo Plus Universe Philippines 2024. So ang tagumpay ko ay para sa lahat ng mga Nueva Ecijanos. Thank you so much.
Very well said, Micah. And of course, sabi nga ni Micah, babae, hindi ka kulang o sobra dahil sapat ka. Kaya naman, natapos niya kanina yung 21 kilometer of the inaugural Nueva Ecija Marathon. So how was the experience running the 21K?
This is my first ever 21 kilometer run din, and usually I really run 10 to 12 kilometers lang. At sobrang nakaka-proud kasi usually if you're a runner, di ba nagbabayan-bayan ka talaga, you visit different cities, different provinces. But because this is my hometown, this is my province, talagang dito ko ginawa yung first ever 21 kilometer run ko kahit na feeling ko nung una. Kaya ba to, girl? Pero of course, because this is Nueva Ecija, dapat pasabog din yung aking first ever run here in Nueva Ecija. So, I'm so happy and I would like to congratulate all runners. Whatever yung distance, congratulations sa ating lahat. Thank you so much.
So one more question, Micah. Any plans of joining like an incremental distance aside from 21 kilometer? Any plans of joining a marathon in the future or ultra marathon maybe?
God willing, no? God willing. But siguro for now, dahil medyo talagang na full force na yung 21 kilometers, siguro yung mga susunod, babalik muna ako sa 10 kilometers ko ulit. Talagang for Nueva Ecija, I saved the 21 kilometer run. But of course, it was a success. And I hope na I would also see all runners in different parts of the Philippines as well, and even in the international running community. Kasi I realized when I really joined the running, it's not just a hobby, but it's a community of runners talaga. So I love to be in this kind of community, and I can't wait to share different marathons with everyone.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Micah Cabling Martinez. And with that, please accept this token of appreciation, a bouquet of goodies and delicacies coming from the ever beautiful town of Gimba, Nueva Ecija.
Again, maraming salamat, Gimba, Nueva Ecija, and congratulations to everyone who made the successful event, everyone behind the successful event, Nueva Ecija Marathon. And of course, again, congratulations to all runners. I am Micah Cabling Martinez, proud to be your Miss Universe Philippines, Nueva Ecija!
Congratulations! Ang sarap pakinggan. I am Micah Cabling Martinez, di ba? There you go. Our next set of awardees, of course, the awarding of the podium finish. Oh, by the way, we still have award to the biggest delegation award. This award is given to the most number of registered runners. And this award goes to Nueva Ecija runners. Any representative from Nueva Ecija runners?
Galing! Nakita ba siya sa live ko? Parang hindi yata.
Ha?
Hindi ko na makita yung ano.
While preparing for a podium, I hope that all our awardees, our podium awardees are all ready to freshen up for this awarding.
Nako.
Hindi pantay.
Hindi pantay.
Oh, iusap mo na lang po.
Ayan, ayan, yan. Apo.
Kami na lang mag-a-adjust. Hindi pantay eh. Dahil,
Baka mabuwal. Yun.
yan. Perfect. Thank you.
Alright. We will now be awarding the podium finishers across all categories. But let me introduce to you our Honorable Mayor Jesulito Galabon to award. A round of applause. A warm round of applause, everyone. There you go, Mayor. Let's now move to the first set of awardees. Our fifth place, finishing a time of 27 minutes 34 seconds, bib number 5133. Congratulations to Hazel Grace Cabanizas. Our next awardee is fourth place, female, with a time of 35 minutes 15 seconds, bib number 5120, Emmy De Jesus. Finishing a time of 34 minutes and 55 seconds. Congratulations to bib number 5056, Laita May Mercado.
Okay na lang din yun. Marami na ito.
May I call on a former councilor J.R. Padre
Wow. Ganda nung
to award together with our Honorable Mayor Jesulito Galabon. Our second place, finishing a time of 34 minutes and 10 seconds. Congratulations to bib number 5171, Rachel Ann Del Rosario. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the fastest female for 5 kilometers with a time of 30 minutes 58 seconds, bib number 5147. Congratulations to Jonaline Onlayo.
30 minutes.
Let's go. No excuses now. I'm talking here and now. I'm talking here and now. Let's go. Your time and running now. I'm talking here and now. I'm talking here and now. It's not about what you done, it's about what you do. It's all about where you going, no matter. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the top 5 fastest female for 5 kilometer category. How about a resounding round of applause?
Yes, perfect. Nice one.
Congratulations. For the cash prize, it will be released right after the awarding. The cash prize will be released.
na-interview pa natin yung isa sa mga winners, so yung second runner-up kanina sa Miss Rachel. Galing, ang galing. Ang galing.
Up next
Yeah, tingnan natin. Ay, sorry.
our top 5 male for 5 kilometer category. Our fifth place, finishing a time of 19 minutes and 39 seconds. Congratulations,
Feeling
team number 5006, Fritz Angelo Operio.
1, 2.
Thank
Okay.
you. Ito na, men's na. Male division na.
Ay, male at saka female.
Our fourth place with a time of 19 minutes and 31 seconds. Team number 5115. Congratulations to Daniel Esquera.
Ang tangkad niya, oh.
And our third place with a time of 19 minutes and 12 seconds. Congratulations, team number 5074, Mark Anthony Fernandez. Once again, our third place goes to Mark Anthony Fernandez.
Ba't ala ka loot bag? Ala siya loot
Our
bag?
second place with a time of 18 minutes and 13 seconds and 16 minutes. Team number 5106, Andre Necesito.
Ala, picture!
And now to our fastest male for 5 kilometer with a time of 18 minutes and 13 seconds. Bib number 5139, J. Mark Keaton. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the top 5 fastest for 5 kilometer category for the inaugural Nueva Ecija Marathon. Up next is 10 kilometer female category. Congratulations to our 5th place, team number 10-10-6, Andrea Santos. Congratulations, Andrea. Up next is our 4th place with a time of 53 minutes and 45 seconds. Big number 10-206. Congratulations to Vian Giev.
Ay, wow! Nanalo. First time daw niya. Ay! Ang nice!
Wow, our
Wow,
4th placer for 10 kilometers is
Look!
6 years old. Guys, seryoso to. Game na game face kanina si baby girl. Alright, up next is our 3rd place with a time of 49 minutes and 59 seconds. Team number 10038. Congratulations to Ronaldine
6 years old, ang
Golmatico.
galing. Ang galing, ang galing.
Up next, 2nd place with a time of 47 minutes 32 seconds. Beam number 10036, Thea Michelle Gumapos. And to our fastest female for 10 kilometer category with a solid time of 39 minutes and 37 seconds. Beep number 10, 10-1, Eileen Manansala. Congratulations, Eileen. Once again, to all our podium finishers, your cash prize will be given right after the awarding. There you go, guys, presenting the top 5 female finisher for 10-kilometer category.
Galing!
Okay na po, congrats po!
Very nice!
Now let's proceed to the fastest male for 10-kilometer category. 5th place with team number 2 with the finishing time of 38 minutes and 41 seconds. Beam number 10037, Nobi Mabanag Ambuano. Up next, our 4th place with a time of 37 minutes and 7 seconds. Beam number 10009. Congratulations to Junar Capizo. And our 3rd place with a time of 34 minutes 12 seconds. Beam number 10174. Congratulations, Jerome Comanda. Up next, our 2nd place with a time of 33 minutes 29 seconds. Beam number 10185. Congratulations, PJ Aquino. And now, to the fastest male for 10-kilometer category, finishing a time of 31 minutes and 39 seconds, bib number 10121. Congratulations to Collins Prago.
Let me tell you. So I'll give a hoop what you do, say girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell me time I'm next, time you follow.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the top 5 male finisher for this year's 10-kilometer category for the inaugural Nueva Ecija Marathon.
Don't take my talking in wrong. I can do the trick like Sophie on blood.
Let's now proceed for the 21-kilometer category. For our 5th place, finishing a time of 1 hour 54 minutes, beam number 21106. Congratulations to our Miss Arat International 2021, Alexandra Faith Garcia.
So, personal best niya ito ni Miss Faith.
Up next, our 4th place with a time of 1 hour 47 minutes, bib number 21217. Congratulations, Lori Joy Archeto. Lori Joy Archeto is a proud member of Coach Matthew VO2 Max Coaching. And now, for 3rd place with a time of 1 hour 43 minutes, bib number 21078. Congratulations to Beverly Parale. Congratulations, Beverly. Now on to our second place. Finishing a time of 1 hour 39 minutes. Congratulations to beam number 21278, Vanessa Patison. Congratulations, Vanessa. You did a good job earlier. And now, to our fastest female, finishing a time of 1 hour 37 minutes. Beam number 21086. Congratulations, Jocelyn Elihera. Jocelyn is a proud member of Team Hera. Congratulations, Jocelyn. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the fastest female for this year's 21-kilometer category of the inaugural Nueva Ecija Marathon. Congratulations. Alright, let's now proceed to the fastest male 21K category. 3rd place, finishing a time of 1 hour 25 minutes. Beam number 21196. Congratulations to JP Enano.
21 na?
21 yung kayo ng babae.
21.
JP is a member of Royal Manila.
Layo.
Ano na po yan? Yung 21 kasi half marathon. Ano na yan? Para pag natapos mo siya, para papunta ka na sa full marathon. Mga 10 km, mga parang medyo intermediate.
Our 4th place with a time of 1 hour 22 minutes. Beam number 21067. Congratulations, Robin Jan Navida. Our 3rd place with a time of 1 hour 19 minutes. Beam number 21181. Congratulations to John Paul Carrion. Up next is our 2nd place with a time of 1 hour 16 minutes. Beam number 21083, Luigian Alaligay. Congratulations, Luigian. Luigian is a local hero from Santiago, Isabela.
Wow!
Echage Isabela pala. Mali yung rinig ko. Alright! And now, to our fastest female for this year's 21-kilometer category. With male. With a time of 1 hour 16 minutes. Beam number 21085, a foreign runner. Congratulations to Jackson Cheer.
It's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam.
Jackson is a foreign runner from Kenya.
Oh, wow, congrats.
Up next is our top finishers for the 42-kilometer category, our main event. Our main event for female 42-kilometer category with a time of 4 hours 35 minutes. Congratulations to Janet Molino.
Oh, galing!
Janet is a local hero from Baguio City.
Wow!
Up next is our 4th place. With a time of 4 hours and 1 minute, bib number 42120. Congratulations to Miss Cecil Wael. And our 3rd place, with a time of 3 hours 46 minutes, bib number 42113, Ray Samson. Once again, congratulations to Ray Samson. Up next is our 2nd place female with a time of 3 hours 41 minutes, bib number 42043. Congratulations to Rosel Galicia Maestro.
Rizal?
And now, to our fastest female with a time of 3 hours 41 minutes, bib number 42036, Lani Adawog. Congratulations, Lani. We would also like to thank former Mayor Disan for the cash prize. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the top 5 female finisher for this year's Nueva Ecija Marathon. Congratulations!
Congrats!
Let's now proceed to male category. First up, for 5th place, finishing a time of 3 hours and 12 minutes, bib number 42045. Congratulations to Ray Garcia Pulido. Up next, our 4th place with a time of 3 hours 10 minutes, bib number 42151. Congratulations to Jerry Avila. Now on to our 3rd place with a time of 3 hours 7 minutes. Bib number 42029, Ricky Tropa. Congratulations, Ricky.
Mag-smile ka rin.
Now on to our 2nd fastest male finisher for this year's Nueva Ecija Marathon. Once again, to our 2nd place for this year's Nueva Ecija Marathon, finishing a time of 3 hours 4 minutes, bib number 42026. Congratulations, a proud local hero from Nueva Vizcaya, member of Tribu Aritao, Jake sa Dagrarca. Congratulations, Jade. And now, guys, this is the most awaited moment. Gusto niyo bang malaman kung anong finish time ng ating top finisher overall? It's a solid and impressive time of 2 hours, 51 minutes. Bib number 4206 a consistent podium finishers since then. Congratulations! None other than, please give him a round of applause. Wilfred Esparma! Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the top 5 male finisher for this year's Nueva Ecija Marathon. How about a round of applause, everyone? And we will not allow Mayor to go home without any message. Mayor, any message?
Okay. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Ako'y natutuwa at lubos na nagagalak dahil sa pinakita, pinamalas ng ating mga mananakbo, mga marathoners dito sa ating first Nueva Ecija marathon. At sana susunod na taon, may nagsasabi kanina dito ulit, sabi niya ang ating sa Nueva Ecija Universe na si Micah, at sabi nila, kinausap ko ng mga organizer, sabi nila, possible daw na dito ulit gaganapin ang Nueva Ecija Marathon. Sa inyo pong lahat, itong first ever nangyari sa Nueva Ecija, tuwang-tuwa pong yung likod. Magsama-sama po tayo sa larga-ganda ng organizer, lalo kagaganda ng mga sama-sama ng mga marathon. Sa inyo pong lahat, congratulations sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay po.
And to our closing remarks, the father of the major sponsor, congratulations, Jonah, and thank you for trusting us. Ladies and gentlemen, to officially close the program, I call on J.R. Padre, former councilor J.R. Padre.
Maraming salamat. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. At bilang pangwakas ay nagpapasalamat po ang pamilya namin. Isa sa mga organizer ng aking anak. Ako po yung ama. Sa ating barangay captain, with the barangay officials, ganun din ating punong bayan na ating pinsan. Sa inyo po lahat, talagang akala ko imposibleng magaganap ang first Nueva Ecija Marathon. So merong first, sabi nga ni Mayor, merong second, at ang pangako, sana sa panahon ng birthday ko, February 15. Kasi po, napakaganda pala. Nung una wala akong ka-idea, ngayon susuporta na ako. Hindi ko pa sinuportahan yan. Simple lang yung binigay kong suporta. Ngayon alam ko na yung mga defecto, nakita ko. At kayang-kaya na natin yung pagsama-samayan ng mga race organizer. Maraming salamat sa ating Miss Universe Philippines Nueva Ecija, sa ating palakpakan natin, sa ating din po Misa Aula na palagi din napipicture, kapicture. International sa inyo po lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo. Sa mga iba't ibang bayan ng Pilipinas, ng Nueva Ecija, maraming salamat po. Muli, makita-kita tayo sa second marathon Nueva Ecija, Gimba. Alisin na kayo natin din Nueva Ecija. Biro lang. At sa Barangay Bantog Kapitan, nag-usap na rin kami, nakasuporta kasama ng kanyang barangay official. Maraming salamat muli. Magandang umaga po sa atin lahat.
Thank you very much, and once again, maraming salamat po for supporting and for joining us for the inaugural Nueva Ecija Marathon. To all our partners, our sponsors, and to
Ayan, that concludes the Nueva Ecija Marathon 2024 dito sa bayan ng Gimba. First ever foot marathon race. Foot race. Dito sa Nueva Ecija. Congratulations po sa lahat ng nanalo. Congrats! Hanapin natin yung ano, hanapin natin yung Marathon King. Hanapin natin, interviewin natin, try natin makuha yung kanyang, yung King and Queen. Later, bye-bye!